And South Africa is increasingly becoming reliant on seaborne trade. But it's a risky business, and companies are being encouraged to take up marine insurance. These policies offer businesses protection against a range of transport risks, which may vary according to their role in the value chain. One of the big contributing factors is the challenge associated with the local energy crisis. Kennedy Ntenjwa, who's the head of marine insurance at Santam, says the demand for specific products related to the growing solar industry is on the rise. Demand for cover of food and cell phones is also rising, but there are a number of socioeconomic risks, including high levels of crime.
With the problems at port, for example, where the vessels couldn't actually dock and offload the cargo, that is an infrastructure problem which impacted the flow of goods, which meant that a lot of goods were sitting at port that could not really be delivered to final destinations, elsewhere in the country. And if clients that are importing particularly perishable type cargoes or fresh produce obviously sit with a problem, because those type of products are temperature sensitive and they've got a lifespan on them. So if they're not delivered in time, they do get damaged, they deteriorate, and then we're seeing claims that are actually coming from particularly the perishable or the food industry. Load shedding internally as well could have a problem, where there's delays in the transportation. And if some of these trucks that are carrying goods are stuck or road or sitting at the robots because of the load shedding, we are obviously exposed to the crime element, where, people break into the trucks and they steal the products, which result in an insurance claim. We're also seeing a lot more claims coming through due to your potholes, which is basically related to the road conditions in South Africa. And those would typically be damage to items as a result of, vehicles hitting potholes or accidents resulting from vehicles trying to avoid potholes.